Welcome to Draw Kids. I have a question for you. Are you a Lego fan? Me too! Today we're drawing General Mayhem from Lego Movie 2. So grab your art supplies and let's draw. Okay, so here we are. We're drawing General Mayhem from Lego Movie 2. Now, General Mayhem's going to pretty much take up the whole piece of paper. What we're going to do is we're going to start near the top. About the top middle, center of the page, we're going to do a triangle about that wide. So a super skinny triangle about that wide and about this long. Perfect. So now on the sides of the head, we're going to do the helmet. It's going to come down this way, perfectly round, all the way down on each side. Good. Now from there, on this side, we're going to extend it down all the way to the bottom. Like that. Awesome. And on this side, the general has a little microphone piece or something that's sticking out there. So we're going to do a little square like this. But on this side of the square, it's going to be a curve. Like that. Good. So with that, we're going to go ahead and make these sides the same length. So this is the helmet. So now, in the middle of the head, we're going to do the face shield. So it's almost going to be like a V with curves like that. Curved out and curved out. Perfect. Now this is going to come down to a point, almost like a heart. So put a point right there, and these come down, curve, like that, and curve. And we're going to go through this little piece here and come all the way down to the center. Good. This is okay because that's going to be all black anyways. So from here, these two sides are going to come all the way down to the chin, but see how fat it is there? It's going to start fat and get skinnier down to the chin. Just like that, and one on this side. Good. So next, on the sides of the head, we're going to do nice long skinny rectangles like this. Like that, one on each side. Good. So starting up here in the corner, there's two little points, almost like Batman. So point up like that. One there, and one there. So on the tip of this is going to be square, so we're going to just flatten that out. And it's going to come down and connect to the side of the helmet. Straight down and connect to the side of the helmet. So same on this side. Flatten out that top and bring it straight down all the way to the side of the helmet. Good. So underneath the helmet is going to be the neckline. So let's do two little lines like this, and then we're going to follow this same curve of the chin. Good. So right above here, we're going to do straight lines out about the width of her head. So there and there. Perfect. Now take these two lines straight down about that long. One on each side. Perfect. So again, right here in the center, let's do a dot a little bit further down, and then we're going to bring these lines and connect them all together. Good. So next are going to be the shoulder pads. So we're going to take this line here and extend it up just a little bit like that on both sides. And then we're going to do an upward angle out like that. Now this is a cap sleeve, so it's curved across the top. Good. So same here, kind of angle out, and then cap sleeve across the top. Good. Awesome. So next we're going to do the body. The body's going to be two lines. This Lego body character is a little bit different, skinnier than the normal ones, so it's going to be a little bit skinnier. So line in, kind of almost curved on both sides. Good. Now from here, we're going to do the waistline. So we're just going to draw this and cover it in. Close it in. Next, we're going to just extend it out a little bit, and we're going to close that in also. Good. So next, we're going to start right here between the legs of the characters, and we're going to do an upside down U like that. Again, like I said, this character is a little bit curvy, not like the Lego characters we're used to. So this line is going to go all the way to the bottom, to the back of the heel. Perfect. Now on the outside of the pant leg, we're going to curve this down. Again, kind of getting skinnier, like that. So the bottom of the foot, we're going to make the bottom of the foot a curve line out like that. And the side of the foot's going to be straight up and down, just like that. So for the top of the foot, we're going to kind of curve it in, like that. Good. So this same leg is going to be on the other side. So we'll go ahead and bring this down just like that one. Curve it out for the foot. A straight line up, just like this one. Curve it up. And then this pant leg is going to be the same on the outside. So a little bit curved out, like that. Good. We're almost there. So next we're going to do the arms. The arms are just two parallel lines, so two lines that are straight, like that. Now the next part of our arm is just going to, it's almost like a cone. It's going to go in just a little bit. Good. Now on the bottom of the hand, we're going to do the classic Lego hand. We're going to do a circle, but we're not going to close it, like that. So now we're going to make this a little bit thicker, and we're going to close it off. It should be just like the classic Lego hands. Good. Same thing on this side. We're going to do the arm, two parallel lines out. The next one's going to curve. Not curve, taper in. Good. Circle down here that's not closed, and then Lego hands. Perfect. We are almost there. Next, she has these two wings that are like butterfly wings. They're going to go almost straight to the corners of the paper. So start about right here on the helmet, and it goes straight out almost to the corner of the paper. Same thing on the other side. Straight out. Good. So the next part, we're going to make, it's almost like a dragonfly wing. It's kind of curved. Good. Now we're going to take that straight down, and then we're going to connect that to the body. Good. Same thing on here. This is going to be a curve. Curve. Now straight down. Perfect. And then you're going to go into the body. Awesome. So this has a little bit of a thickness to it. So what we're going to do is we're going to add a little thickness like that. So we're going to contour this line all the way around. So we're going to follow this. Actually, when you get to about right here, we're going to go down. So this part of the outside is a little bit wider. And then we're going to go straight into the body. Good. So same thing on this side. We're going to thicken it up. Right about halfway down the curve, we're going to go straight down. And then take that all the way into the body. Awesome. So last part is the second part of her wings that come down like this. So starting from out here on the shoulder, we're going to take this down at an angle to here. So pretend like you're going through the hand, right there. Same thing from here, start about the waistline, and it's gonna get smaller like this, like that. And then this has a square end on the end. Good. So same thing on this side. Start from the shoulder. We're gonna come down here to about a little bit lower than the hand. Cross through the hand. Start from the waistline here, come down, and square it off. Perfect. So that's General Mayhem. Let's color it in. Thanks for joining us today. Drawing Lego characters is always fun. Don't forget to like and share, but most of all, don't forget to subscribe so we can see you next time on Draw Kids. Bye!